Rush fam? Welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush the Discover Boss here with another video. Alright guys, so today is another drone video. So we'll be doing a drone video of this side of Kingston. So we'll capture some views of the Ruthven Towers, which is in front of me right now. And then we'll fly the drone around Alburn Road. There's two construction around there. I think they're commercial developments as well. They're basically in front of each other, so I'll show you guys an update on those as well. I did a previous video before the second construction started on Alburn Road, so I'll put the link for that previous video so you guys can see where it's coming from. So we'll start the drone video here, Ruthven Towers, right here on Ruthven Road, and then Alburn Road is literally behind this complex. So you'll get to see two construction around that side as well. So stay tuned, stay for the drone video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and it's completely free. So remember to subscribe as well. So it's another video back here in New Kingston, Jamaica. And we'll be standing up the drone shortly to show you guys some aerial shots of this development that's almost finished. Ruthven Towers being developed by NHT, and we'll also showcase two other developments on Alburn Road, so you guys definitely stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, thanks for the support, thanks for all the likes, all the comments, all the shares. Really appreciate it. So stay tuned guys while we send up the drone. Alright guys, so just before they set up the drone, this is Alburn Road. This is where one of the construction is. They seem to be doing some concrete pouring today for the foundation. So it's going to be a multi-level complex, more than likely commercial. So they have gone down 1 to 2 floors underground already. So I guess they're doing some casting for the foundation today. And that has been the norm where, you know, these commercial development are having, even some residential too, are putting underground parking in, and going down 1 to 2 floors so that they can get more, you know, more square feet space per se. So this is one of them. This was a big lot probably a year or two ago with a motel slash I think it was Tropical Inn, so it was a short stay living complex, and then came the pandemic and they developed the neighboring lot into like a restaurant with other office complex, and then this lot now is gonna get some form of multi-level commercial development. So I'll show you a glimpse of the other one. It's almost in front, so I'll show you a glimpse of that other one as well. Alright guys, and then this is the other one, right at Dumfries Road, which connects back to Alburn Road. So right over here, almost literally in front of the one that, you know, just started. So gonna set up the drone now, so you guys definitely wait for those drone shots coming up now.